Another video for plants for bees. This is Japanese mint. Does have a minty flavor, a minty smell to it. I've never tried making tea out of it. About 7 years ago, I have to pardon the airplane. Alright, about 7 years ago I went to inspect a gentleman's bees, and he had a big huge garden and a big patch of this. I asked him what it was, he told me, and he said, "You want some of it?" I said, "Sure." So he dug me up a little 4-inch cup. Like I said, 7 years ago, so if you decide to get this for your bees, I mean, it's great, but here's the problem. That 4-inch cup over 7 years has taken over this whole corner of the yard. It's probably 35 feet across this way and that way. Let's walk down here a little bit and show you. It has come up in the ditch, and you can see they usually come through and bush hog, and they've been bush hogging this. Hopefully they'll leave it alone and let that bloom, because if you notice when you're looking at these bees on it, this is all a nectar source. There is not a bee on here that has pollen in her baskets. Not a single bee. And this is nowhere near as covered as it was when I first walked out here, because I was talking on the phone and couldn't stop and make the video because I was talking to a buddy of mine. But this stuff is literally a boon, obviously, for nectar. And it's only that far away from the hive, so they're not flying very far to get it. But that's today's video. Thanks for watching. Hit that thumb, like the video, share it, comment. Hey, I need all the help to get in the algorithm again, because they change the algorithms and I fall out of them very easily. Thanks for watching.